Why can't the U.S. leave NATO? America funds 70% of NATO's budget and defends 31 countries. So why can't the world's strongest military just walk away? Firstly, Europe collapses without America. Germany, France, and Italy all have tiny militaries. So without U.S. troops and nuclear weapons, they're defenseless against Russia. Putin moves into the Baltics within months, so Europe falls back under Russian influence. But Japan watches America abandon NATO and thinks if they're next. Every U.S. ally worldwide wonders if America's